Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button below and you'll have access to all of the inspirational and DIY videos that I upload. So with it only being 6 weeks till Christmas, we have a lot of work to do. So you ready to get your Santa on? Like I said before, the videos leading up to Christmas are going to be extra special this year. They're going to be jam-packed with fantastic, festive frivolity. Try saying that 3 times fast. So last time, I started a new holiday tradition with you guys. I read a short Christmas comedy that I wrote called God Rest You Merry Gentlemen. Now if you missed that, you can click on the link above and that will take you to the playlist that'll play all 3 episodes of God Rest You Merry Gentlemen. So now, before we get started, I'm going to get us warmed up with a little Christmas trivia to see how well you know your Christmas movies. Are you ready? So you're going to have to wait till the end of the video to find out the answers, and no cheating by Googling during the video. So trivia question number 1. Who played George Bailey in the Christmas classic It's a Wonderful Life? Trivia question number 2. What real-life department store is the setting for Miracle on 34th Street? Now the third trivia question might be a little trickier. In the Muppet Christmas Carol, who played Scrooge? Hint, it wasn't a Muppet. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out the answers to these 3 trivia questions. So now that we're all warmed up, are you ready to do a Christmas craft? So today we are going to make this adorable red truck themed wreath. Now all of these items were purchased from the Dollar Tree, and no, I'm not sponsored, but it makes it a very affordable Christmas decor. Now I did hang mine outside because my front door is a little bit sheltered, but if you're not comfortable with it getting destroyed outside with the snow and the cold, you can bring it inside and use it as an indoor wreath. So again, it's a very inexpensive but really cute way to start off our Christmas DIY series. So let's get started. So the supplies used to make this wreath were all from the Dollar Tree. We have these little wooden snowflakes, there's 6 in a package, the wire wreath frame, this red, white, and black checked men's scarf. They have a variety of different colors, but I thought this one would match the red truck the best. We also have a glue gun, glue sticks, and here is the red truck ornament itself. Again, the entire cost to make this wreath was about $5, so really inexpensive. You'll also need some white paint and a sponge. I use this chalk paint in the color sheepskin just because it has better coverage. Now make sure you have something down on your table to protect the surface from the paint, and use your foam brush and your white chalk paint or white acrylic paint to paint one side of the snowflake. Now because I use chalk paint, I only needed to use 1 coat of paint, but you can use more if you like. And we're not going to paint the back since we're going to be sticking these onto our wreath. While the snowflakes are drying, we can get the scarf ready. So we want to make sure we find the center of the scarf because we want to make sure the fringe hangs at the bottom to be sort of like the bow. Make sure to get the fringe near the front where you'd like it, and then just wrap the scarf around and around the wreath form. Now at first it might seem like the scarf is going to be way too short, but trust me, once you fiddle with it and fluff it around, it will go all the way around the wreath form. You want to make sure you get both ends of the fringe in the same spot. Then, before you glue anything together, take the twine that came with your snowflake decorations, cut a piece off, and make a little hanger at the top of your wreath. Next, take your hot glue gun and just tack the pieces of the scarf in place until it's nice and secure. Then we're going to separate the pieces of our truck. The truck and the Merry Christmas sign are just attached with a couple of pieces of wire, so if you untwist those, they should come apart quite easily. Once the pieces are separated, use your hot glue to glue the Merry Christmas sign at the bottom of your wreath and attach the red truck to the top of the wreath. Finally, using your hot glue, attach the snowflakes around the wreath as desired and enjoy. Easy peasy and relatively inexpensive. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up as well as a comment in the section below. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.